गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा।
Hey, hi, this is Akshay. So, we the chants of Star English are going to present some vibrant words about Independence Day.
So let's start.
15 August 2024, the 78th Independence Day of India from the British colonial rule. It is a historical day of unity and dedication among our countrymen. It marks the freedom against the British colonial rule.
Every year the Prime Minister holds the Indian flag at Red Fort, New Delhi to mark celebrations of this day.
Several foreign dignitaries and important Indian officials grace the occasion.
State capitals also celebrate the occasion with grandeur, where the Chief Minister posts the tricolour in the presence of the respective of their caste, creed and religion.
School students celebrate this with the most enthusiasm, dressing up like freedom fighters, singing patriotic songs, dancing to patriotic songs, and many more.
It also helps to showcase the country, economy, political and social development to the world.
All the private firms and government offices also celebrate this day by raising the national flag, singing the national anthem and with other cultural programs.
It is a day everyone celebrates the freedom they gathered after many years.
The entire nation come together to celebrate this day. We celebrate this day as a festival.
All across the country, states, often as adults, leaders hosted the Indian flag.
On every Independence Day, our Prime Minister hosts the Indian tricolour at Red Fort, New Delhi. On this day, parade, cultural program and patriotic songs organized everywhere.
Indian Independence Day celebration is to remind us the sacrifices and values of unity in diversity. It marks the true spirits of the nationalism.
On Independence Day, we honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters.
Independence Day inspires the people of India to be united and takes our country ahead.
Independence Day motivates us to love our country and proud of it.
Independence Day celebrated as Festival of India. To get video like this, follow Star English Spoken English. कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। चलो हम सब लहराएंगे ये तिरंगा, नशा ये तिरंगे की आन का है, नशा हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Like, comment, and subscribe.